What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're answering a very, very, very difficult question today, and that is how big can you fit on the back of a Fox body?
Not that.
All right, so these are a 315 30.
Yeah.
Now you look at that.
Okay, so we'll compare it to the R88s. That's a 285.
That's a 275.
We need, like, do you really got a dollar bill so we can give reference here?
Yeah, we broke. We could count.
I know, right? We got Fox bodies. We don't have any money. But yeah, there you go, guys.
That's right.
This is a is it a 30 or okay? There we go. Okay. Now, do you see how freaking big? 315. All right, so let's put it on the 285s for reference. Oh, we got dirty money now. So there you go. The question is, will it fit in?
Just throw that away,
Yeah, just get rid of it. So we're gonna give this a shot. These are actually 99 to 04 offset. Dover just scored these used. They're Rovos, I guess, or what they are. Cool looking wheel. All right, so let's see what we got here. What's everybody think?
No.
So we got a no. Dover says no. Corey, what do you think?
It's gonna hit the shop.
Is it got quad shocks on it?
No.
No,
It's gonna hit.
I think it'll fit. All right, so everybody says no. I say yes.
The body before it hits the shot.
Everybody says no. I say yes. Ha! Look at there. It's on.
So guess the body.
Well, it ain't cleared the pressure.
All right, let's go up. Let's go up so we can see.
Yeah, we got to drop it down so it'll, yeah. Put a couple lug nuts on it, we'll drop it down, see.
It's not hitting the tailpipe. It is. It might when you get when you go down on the ground.
It ain't gonna hit the tailpipe.
You got them tucked in pretty good.
Is it all the way on?
Yeah, it's all the way up.
So we're gonna run a couple lug nuts down here and see. Now I have seen tons of 17-inch 315s on a Fox. I've seen that done. Obviously you got a massage with the BFH and all that, but now we got 18s.
This is 20.
I think, no, these are 18s.
Oh, they're 18.
All right, so let's go down a little bit here. What we got? What we got? I'm hearing a little noise back there.
Oh yeah, it fits.
Dude, these look good.
Look at it. Look. Hey, walk back here and look.
Oh my God, these look good.
Look at that car.
Go!
Look at those meats up under there, boy.
I like it.
All right, but can you run your hand all the way around behind the wheel? We need lights so we can actually see the clearance.
Oh, let me see.
You got some a light there, Dover?
Nah, it's hitting up here in the front,
Where at?
on the body.
Little BFH.
It's hitting a lot right there. It's hitting a lot right there.
So a little bit of massaging on the body.
In the front right here.
You got light?
Yeah, right here. It's hitting right here.
Ah,
Oh,
okay.
that's it.
Which we could knock back just a hair
Possibly, yeah.
with a little hammer.
Look at the back.
But this is a 315, y'all.
It's hitting in the back there.
Is it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's all on it. It ain't hitting, it's on it. Yeah, all that in there had big. And then, of course, as that hits, as it goes up, it's probably going to hit up in there, too. So.
Yeah. So, yes, it is big. But look at the ass end. Holy crap. Yeah. So I'm going to say we could do some serious... We could do some serious steamrolling.
That looks good.
That looks awesome.
It's hitting all in here and back here.
All right, hold on. Let me get the camera in there, Dover. Where was it hitting at?
Here, and then back here, too.
Which would be, like, if we took a hammer
Maybe. I mean, you still got
and
all
massage that a little
this
bit,
up in here, too. As the tire goes up, it may hit.
but still, an 18-inch 315. Yes, it did.
It looked good, but yeah.
Yeah. with a little bit of massaging,
Maybe
that
two.
would be sick.
Yeah.
Every time you hit a ball.
Yeah. I mean, you're gonna have to hit the hammer, get the hammer out and do some beating in there, but it would definitely fit.
I could go to that 295 Toyo like this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because that's a 285, right?
275.
275. I thought that was 285. Your other ones were 285s. So yeah, guys, with
I'm just tired of 295.
with a little work, you can get some meat up under there. Alright guys, so enough screwing around with the big tires on the back of the car. We kind of figured that one out. Now, we've got not one, but two cars. We've got to get up to Winger Performance and get tuned because we're going to try and make the track tomorrow night. But we got Alex's Wild Strawberry Notch. It is on the trailer, ready to go. And then as soon as we get some injectors here, we're going to put Corey's 85 GT and we'll carry that one up here. So, about to hit the road. All right, boys, there's the 85. Can I believe Corey's car is running? If you guys aren't familiar with this car, it's got a Gen 1 Coyote, 2-speed power glide, and a built 9-inch with 456 gears. How do you feel at this particular moment?
It's amazing, son. It's amazing.
Dude, not only, this is our first 4i.
First 4i swap.
We're gonna drag the bumper.
I hope so. Especially when we get it on that trans brake.
Hell yeah. Alright boys, we have made it up to Wingard Performance here. Handles all the tuning. Daryl, what's up, dude?
Hey,
How's the car running?
running good.
I gotta sneak over here and show the car off real quick. It's gonna go do some damage this weekend. But looks like you've been having some fun in the 250.
Yeah, it's over. I got my street sauce, put on my tires. See how
Sweet.
sticky those are.
Holy crap, dude. Yeah, she's gonna hook.
Yeah.
She is gonna hook. So I got the tune pretty well locked in.
Yeah, it's running good now, and I can run full boost now, so I'll probably be running 25, 26 PSI.
Man, it's close, but it fits.
Yeah.
Yeah, looking forward to seeing what this car ends up doing. But he's about to get a tune going here for Alex's car, and then Corey should be pulling up shortly. Knock him out. Acting like Ken's driving. Is Ken driving this truck or what?
85 and we was rolling, but yeah.
Yeah, I know you're rolling because you're not even half hour behind us.
Oh.
All right, Corey, you got a full jug of E85 ready to rock?
Yes, sir.
All right.
We gotta get that gas out of it.
Yeah, for sure. Heck yeah. All right, tune number 2. Daryl's just gonna knock them out today. If you guys are anywhere near Northwest Tennessee, you need to check out Wingard Performance. Tunes all of our cars.
Hi with it, man. Oh no.
Dude, I'm jealous. I wanted to freaking drive it. Jeez.
I got to get it out of the shop, put it on the trailer.
You're the first one to go down the road in it.
That's as far as it goes. All right, y'all. So Daryl's got the tune in there. He's gonna run it up the road, do a little data login, make sure it's good to go, and we'll move on. Get Corey's 4i off the trailer. We should be good to go. Dude, this 450 is sick.
Can't hardly reach.
It's those old school.
Old school.
Yeah, buddy.
There you go.
Everything's manual in a Fox.
Open that button.
Man, it sounds so smooth and quiet. I love it.
Only professionals get the chill scrapers like that.
I know, that's high dollar right there.
Yeah.
Good.
That's convenient too. My car was doing the same thing. Idle fine, you get gas and sputter.
So we've got Corey's injectors changed. You can see Corey is filling her up with corn,
So to get the guy that goes, I got everything.
and we got Daryl putting the tune in. Injectors are swapped. About to see what this bad boy is gonna do. All right, guys. So we have been troubleshooting here.
Good thing we got a parts car.
See,
here.
well, so far, we swapped the throttle body, we swapped the pedal, and we just swapped this because we weren't getting any mass airflow sensor reading. So we're going to see if that did anything. What do you think? Did we find it?
Let me see if it's working.
See, we swapped the pedal out. Well, that corn smells good though. What do you think? We good?
That fixed that issue, yeah. The mass
Nice.
works now.
All right, so we have MAF signal. There's hope. There's hope. Yeah, sounded real good. Much better. I love it. All right, guys, so the story was we had the O2 sensors plugged in backwards, which does make a difference, and we had a bad mass airflow sensor. But the car's running much better. Tune's getting dialed in. So here's the thing, what you need to be watching for is the video when we put this car on the bumper, which will be coming up very shortly because Corey loves to send it. That's what we're gonna do. So keep it tuned right here for that. It's gonna be freaking awesome. Can't wait. 456 gears, power glide, leaving on the bumper. It's gonna be fun. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Why not, man? You don't want to miss this video. Later, guys.